Welcome to KidsVision TV. Hi kids and welcome back to my channel. Today I am coloring a pink frozen. You can color with me. Let's start by learning the color scheme. Deep pink color, light pink color, skin color, rose color. First I am coloring its eyes with the sky blue color, another eye. Then I am coloring its cute face with the skin color. You can color with me.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Let's color other side. Its cute face is almost done. Let's color its neck and its hand. Another hand. It's time to color its eyebrow with light brown color. Deep pink color. I am coloring its ear. I am coloring its red. I am coloring its hair with different pink colors. You can enjoy and have fun. Pink color. I am coloring other layers with different pink colors. Rose pink color. It's time to complete this hair with rose pink color. If you like the pink frozen, then like, subscribe and please share. Now I am going to color its dress. You can color with me. First I am coloring its chest with rose pink color. I am coloring its sleeves and its gown. Hope you will enjoy this pink frozen. Let's color its gown with light pink color. Oh, this pink frozen is looking so nice.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Let's color its gown from other side. Let's color in the middle with baby pink color. Let's color its other side. Coloring from middle. Its dress is almost done. The frozen looks so adorable.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Thanks for watching. Coming up next video.